welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. This has been another good week. I keep saying it every week, don't I? I do. But you agree, don't you, Betty? Yes. Do you agree? We are so excited about all the fantastic things that have been happening this week for our week of gratitude. So many children have been telling us about all the things they're thankful for, and we are so proud of them. Thank you, children, for sharing those things with us. Now, Betty, did you see the special gift that the children made for me for Thanksgiving yesterday? You did. Well, let me just show the rest of them, and then we'll get on with our awards. Is that okay? Yes, it is. So go over there. All right, Betty, stay right there. Let me get it. I received this amazing book. And in this book are things that all the children in the school made. And Miss Hawk helped to put it together. And it's filled with things the children are thankful for. And it's a very special gift that was given to me by the children for Thanksgiving. And I have been completely overwhelmed by all the love and care and sharing that they've gave with putting together such wonderful things to have in this book. And it's going to be cherished forever. Thank you, children, and thank you to all the adults that helped the children put this together. I am ever so grateful and thankful to have all of you in my life. It has been a wonderful Thanksgiving day for me yesterday. Now, let's do a little bit of celebrating with awards. Are we ready? I'm ready. Here we go. For Going for Gold, we have in Lee's class Aria for using her voice in nursery. She even talked to me. I was so excited. And Ella for showing a random act of kindness to another child. In York class, we have Jaden for trying really hard with his Fred Talking in Read Write Ink, and Holly for super writing in Read Write Ink. In Hull class, we have Lorraine for being a kind friend and always working hard in class. And Mia for super work in science this week. She's been learning all about the animals features. In Nottingham class, we have Gabby for always having a positive attitude towards her work. And Ruby for using her Read Write Ink knowledge in English to write some super sentences. In Liverpool, we have Ashton for a super piece of writing on Florence Nightingale, and Isabella M for super effort at home and school on 2's times tables. In Cardiff class, we have all of Cardiff class for their attitude and enthusiasm on the school trip to York. We also have Scarlett E for always being enthusiastic and joining in lessons. In Edinburgh class, we have Goran for effort in maths, trying tricky questions. And Lacey Grace for being a hardworking and helpful class member. In Cambridge class, we have Harvey for working so hard this week. Miss Lofthouse is very proud of all he has achieved. And David for his super knowledge on Egyptian tombs. In London class, there's Warren for being extremely hardworking this week, being inquisitive and trying his best. And Noah for excellent effort with his maths and English work this week. In Oxford class, we have George for participating well and asking questions during all lessons. And Grace for being kind and helpful friend. And in Chester class, we have Ethan for trying really hard in maths. Well done to all of our children. Excellent work. Give them a big hand. Excellent. Well done. Now we have the Year of Being Healthy Awards. Are you ready? I'm ready. First in Lee's class, we have Willow G for sharing her memories about her family. And Nevaeh for telling us a fun memory. In York class, we have Damien for always eating his healthy school dinner, and Amaya for persevering when trying to thread. In Hull class, we have Rudy for understanding what our bodies need to stay healthy, and Michael for fantastic teamwork in PE this week. He really did well, moving like the different animals. In Nottingham class, we have Gabe for persevering and having a good mindset in regards to his writing, and Archie for trying different foods at lunchtime. In Liverpool class, we have Evie for super use of knife and fork when eating, also eating most of her dinners. We also have Andy for great team skills in PE. In Cardiff class, we have Lexi W for always bringing her water bottle and keeping hydrated throughout the day, and Jake H for always bringing his water bottle and keeping hydrated throughout the day. In Edinburgh class, we have Lucy A for she was chosen by the swim teacher for the effort and hard work she's put into swimming and staying healthy each week. We also have Ella S for she was chosen by the swim teacher for the effort and hard work they put into swimming and staying healthy each week. In Cambridge class, we have Oscar for staying active at break time. He likes to do lots of exercise. And Dylan for confidently sharing a happy memory on Monday during our week of gratitude. In London class, we have Addison S for excellent contributions in lessons this week, and Jacob A for sharing his memories confidently during the week of gratitude. In Oxford class, we have Connor for fantastic sportsmanship in PE this week, and Kyla for going above and beyond with her work this week and displaying a very positive work ethic. And in Chester class, we have Alex for using emotional regulation strategies. Well done to all of you, and another big hand to all of you. Excellent. Well done to all of our children. Again, thank you so much for making Thanksgiving week such a special one for me. Next week, we have some surprises. I've heard that we may have a new visitor. Some of you may already know. Ooh, how exciting is that? Okay, everyone, come here, Betty. Let's tell everybody bye. All right, Betty, let's tell them bye. Bye, everyone. You'll have a fantastic weekend. Bye.